everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. Guys, I'm so excited to bring you this video because we're going to be playing with the new Marykay lip kits that they brought out. It's been out for a hot minute now, so I know a lot of you probably have already tried it on. But if for whatever reason you haven't heard about this new lip kits, okay, and you want to, figure out if this is for you or not, then keep on watching and this is the video for you. Marykay came out with two new lip kits. They're special editions, which means they're not on our regular line. All right, so snag them right now while they're still available. They came out with two lip kits. One is called Nude. And of course, you guys are gonna get to see them up close. And the other shade is called Pink, all right, Pink Rose. So what I love about this lip kits, you guys, is the fact that, it comes with its own lip liner. So you don't have to stress and try to figure out what lip liner to use, okay? But of course, you are more than welcome to mix and match however, it suits you, because we can do that, of course. So we're gonna try them on, you guys. And of course, you want to make sure that your lips are hydrated and exfoliated. So we're going to use our satin lips first. All right, you guys. So I just scrubbed my lips using the Marykay Satin Lips Sheer Sugar Scrub, okay? If you don't know about this baby right here, you are missing. Go get yours, all right? We're gonna start with the nude shade, you guys. And I'm gonna take out the liner and the lippy. So that's what it looks like against my skin. All right, it's a nude, okay? So y'all know we probably will have to customize it to suit my skin tone. So I'm gonna go in first and fill in my lips. Wow, that is super nude, but it has great color payoff, which is good. It's gliding on easily. It's not dry. Not dry at all. Okay, so that's nude, sister. So let's apply the lippy and see. Okay, so yeah, honey. So this is Nude, and she is totally nude on your girl. We're not gonna go now looking like this, okay? We need to customize. I'm going to use the Marykay Berry lip liner, one of my new favorites. Okay, so we're just customizing that. All right, guys, so that's a nude lippy, and we customized it with the berry lip liner. And of course, now it's a lot better for my skin tone, okay? When it comes to, brown skin or dark skin, you can't just slap on some nude lipstick and walk out the door, okay? It doesn't work that way for our skin tone. We have to customize it with a lip liner and maybe even a lip gloss. So anyway, so that's what I did with mine. You can do however you want with yours. Figure out what works for you, okay? So let's move on to the next lippy. Okay, so just like the first one, we're going to go with the liner first. This reminds me of Paparazzi Pink, the limited edition Paparazzi Pink that Marykay had. Beautiful, it's beautiful. I like this. I will customize it again with the same lip liner I used earlier. So I'm going to take the berry lip liner again and just customize that. And just use that to fill it in a little bit. See what I'm saying? When you customize, like I'm doing with my brand new favorite lip liner from Marykay. Do you just see how we took that lippy from 100 to 200? And now I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling this pink a lot better. So ladies, if you want to get this lip kit and maybe you're my complexion, if you feel like the pink is a bit too much for you, get the berry pencil. Get the berry pencil with that, and you know what to do. Okay, go around the lips and do some blending, okay? So when I told you guys that this berry pencil is my new favorite pencil, it really is. It really is. So you saw I could use it with the nude, I used it with the pink, and we just, took our lippy to a whole new level. I'm sure you guys have various ways that you customize yours. Be sure to share your tips with us and comment down below how you've been customizing your lip kit, with what lip liner or gloss, okay? You do know we have the unlimited lip glosses now, which are fire. So you can totally customize that with these nude lippies. So that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Thank you for sticking with your girl. We are counting down to 5,000 subscribers. I'm super excited. We are gonna get there. Hopefully, hopefully soon. So that is it. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload, okay? So that is it, you guys. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one.